How to add crossfade effect to your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Audacity. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just select your audio like this, or select a specific part. Now click on effect and go down until you find this crossfade options. You will find the crossfade clips and crossfade tracks. Choose crossfade tracks and you will be able to manage it from here. You can change the fade type from here, and you can manage the custom curve, and you can also manage the fade direction. And after you finish, click OK and congratulations. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.